Hello everyone, I am Dr. Isha R. Shanbag, gynecologic oncologist at Aster International Institute of Oncology, Bangalore, India. Cancer is very common, so is hope. So January we observe as a Cervical Cancer Awareness Month with a focus on cervical health and cancer prevention. This is for a common goal to eliminate cervical cancer. Why do we have to do that? Cervical cancer is the second most prevalent cancer among the women. So this is a cancer which affects the neck of our womb. And according to WHO, India contributes to a massive 1/5 of the cases. So what can we do about it? So this cervical cancer is one of the very few cancers which is easily preventable, treatable and curable. So cervical cancer is caused by a HPV infection or the human papilloma virus infection, which affects women in their most productive age group. Nearly 80 to 90% of the women do get affected by this infection, but almost 90% get cured by its own immunity. But the remaining 10% in what we call the persistent HPV infection, this goes on to produce the precancer and, if untreated, cancer over a period of 5 to 10 years. So we have this long latent period where we can act and treat it. So coming to the point of why did I say it's easily preventable, is because we have a vaccine called the HPV vaccine, which prevents this infection causing cancer by a simple vaccination given to girls from 9 to 25 years of age. So either it can be a double dose vaccine or a 3-dose based upon at what age we are receiving it. So we can completely prevent the cancer from happening. So please vaccinate your daughters. So there is a lot of stigma around this vaccine, but it has been here from about 2 decades. It's highly safe and effective. Coming to the second part of how can we identify it early is where it's please get screened. So all women from the age of 25 years till they reach menopause, we can do a simple OPD basis procedure called the Pap smear and the HPV. It's a smear of the cervix which we can take, which helps us to identify if there's any abnormality so we can treat it. So this needs to be done once in 3 to 5 years, and we are able to identify right at the correct point where the cervical cancer has started to happen. And this cervical cancer, even if it happens, please don't worry. With recent technology, we can cure it by a simple surgery or with injections or with a radiation, and you are completely cured for life. So awareness today leads to a healthier tomorrow. So please learn about the cervical cancer. We can prevent it and get screened. Thank you.